Well, it doesn't look like much, but that is the ugly gearbox mount. Bit of 5mm plate, bit of 15. Ooh, ugly weld. Excuse the noise, it's raining outside. It's taken a lot of working out, but I've got the box cross member done, which you can kind of see there. I'll go down in a bit and get a better view when it's done. Right, back again. I'm going to try and edit this together badly, but I've got the sump done and the focus gearbox cross member. So there's basically a welded plate onto the chassis rail here. These are fuel lines. 40x40 box. My camera works terrible. Same across the other side. I've made that monstrosity, which is plate to the back of the 4L80E, 15mm thick solid spacer, because that's what I had. And these are some bushes I'd made years ago, which take a Mark II Golf front lower suspension bush, I think it was. Anyway, right heavy duty, far too much for this. What I might end up doing is bringing a plate round so it's actually captive. I don't think it's very good, I think it's very bad. When I start doing the tunnel, I'm going to reinforce between this box and the floor there, both sides, but that's once I start making the tunnel. But basically, the engine is sat on the engine mounts, which is quite nice. I'm going to have to raise the sump because this is the bottom of the front cross member and the sump is 2 inches below. So I have to take 2 inches out of the sump there and then probably put some wings on to increase the oil capacity. But as it sits, the oil capacity is about 25 litres. So it's still got plenty in, but I'll have to get creative. Right, so I've just done a little bit of bad video, so I'm going to try and edit them together. The engine is now mounted on the engine mounts, front and rear. It is... didn't work. Anyway, it's got a gearbox mount down under there. Tunnel to build. This is a temporary, which is what I was supporting the gearbox off. So tunnel to make. Alter the sump again. Start on the next bit. So yeah, I'm going to try and glue these three badly together, and then it's the date, is it 31st of December, so it's New Year's Eve. It's about 4:30. I think I've had enough for today. I'm going to go back home and see the offspring. It's in anyway. Looks ridiculous. So yeah, all the best. See you in 25.